Did you know that the story of Mexico's massive drug market has roots stretching all the way back to the late 19th century? It's a fascinating and complex history. It began when Chinese immigrants, who were brought to Mexico to work on the railroads, introduced the cultivation of opium poppies. Initially, this was for their own use, a practice they brought from their homeland. For a long time, this small-scale farming went largely unnoticed, but then world events changed everything. During World War II, the usual opium supply routes from Asia were cut off. The United States, needing morphine for its wounded soldiers, actually turned to Mexico and encouraged poppy cultivation to meet the demand. This move inadvertently professionalized and scaled up the entire operation. Farmers who once grew corn and beans discovered that poppies were far more profitable. After the war, the demand didn't just disappear. The business had been established, and a new illicit market began to flourish, supplying the growing demand for substances in the United States. This laid the foundation for the powerful cartels we hear about today. What started with a few seeds planted by immigrant workers evolved into a multi-billion-dollar global enterprise. Fast forward to today, and the situation is incredibly severe. It's no longer just about opium. Cartels now traffic in a wide array of substances, and their influence has grown immense. The competition between these groups for control of trafficking routes has led to unimaginable levels of conflict, impacting countless communities across Mexico. They use their vast profits to acquire powerful resources, often rivaling those of the state itself. This conflict has had a devastating human cost. Every year, thousands of lives are lost and many more people are displaced, living in constant fear. The violence disrupts daily life, weakens public institutions, and creates a cycle of instability that is incredibly difficult to break. It's a crisis that affects not only Mexico's security, but also its economy and social fabric. Understanding its origins helps us grasp the sheer scale and complexity of the challenges Mexico faces today. Thanks for watching. If you found this history interesting, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more content. See you next time.